Hello students, today in this video we will discuss your exercise 8.1 question number B1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB is given 24 cm, BC given how much? 7 cm. Determine number 1 sin A, cos A. Number 2 sin C, cos C. So first given in triangle ABC, right angle at B. So let us draw a triangle ABC, right angle at B. Draw a triangle. So this right angle at B, A, B, C. Sorry, C. So now what given is C? AB given 24 cm. AB given 24 cm. Then given BC, BC given 7. So first of all you have to find the length of hypotenuse AC. This side BC is called what? Perpendicular, or angle side opposite to angle A. It is called perpendicular. And this side is called what? Base, or adjacent sides of angle A. So now to find the length of AC, you have to use Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square, length of hypotenuse square is what? Sum of the squares of other two sides is equal AB square plus BC square. Therefore AC is equal square root of AB square plus BC square. AC AB square. AB value is how much? 24. So 24 cm square plus BC square. BC value is how much given? 7 cm. 24 cm square. That means 24 into 24. 4 is 16, 4 into 2 is 8, plus 1 9, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 2 is 4. Is how much? 24 into 24, 576 centimeter square is centimeter square. 7 square is 49, centimeter square is centimeter square. Now you find the sum of these two. 9 plus 6 15, 1 in hand. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 1 12, 1 in hand. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now we have to find out the square root of 625. So in the lower class we have got long division method to find square root. In long division method, what we do? First we make pair from right side. So this one is single, so give time to 6 first. 2 into 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now you bring down this 2 5. Now we make double this question. When we make double this 2, then it becomes 4. 2 2 is 4. You see the last digit? Last digit is 5. If last digit is 5, then you give always 5 times. 5 into 5, 25, 2 in hand, 5 into 4, 20, plus 2, 22. So how much we get? Square root. Square root of 625 is 25. Square root of centimeter square is centimeter. Now, you see the question number 1. Determine sin A, cos A. First we will determine sin A. Sin A. So sin, you got the ratio Sine is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. You remember the tricks. Some people have curly black hair, turn permanently back. Some people have curly black hair, turn permanently back. The sum is stand for sine. People for perpendicular, have for hypotenuse. Curly, that means cos, is what? Black hair, that means base by hypotenuse. Tan stand for, it will be for tan. Permanently back, that means perpendicular by base. Okay, you always keep in mind this trick to find these ratios. So sin A is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is your perpendicular here? Respect to angle A, angle A opposite side is BC, so it is called perpendicular. That means perpendicular is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC we have 7 cm. AC we get how much? 25. So centimeter cancel, is 7 by 25. So sin A value we get 7 by 25. Now we find cos A. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. Base, respect to angle A, base is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB we have 24 cm, hypotenuse we have 25 cm. cm you cancel. So cos A is 24 by 25. Now you see number 2. Sin C. Sin is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. But here you see angle given C. Before one given angle A, we respect to acute angle A. Now we have to respect the acute angle C. So in case of acute angle C, then the adjacent side or the base will be now BC and AB will become what? Perpendicular. It will be hypotenuse. So perpendicular will be now opposite side which one? AB. Angle C opposite side AB. So this will be perpendicular. Hypotenuse AC. AB we have 24 cm. AC is 25 cm. cm cancel. So it will be 24 by 25. Now given next cos C. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. Angle C is formed by this side and this side. That means BC is one part of this angle C. So this one will be the what? Base. Base will be BC for angle C. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC we have 7 cm. AC is 25 cm. So cm you cancel. It will be 7 by 25. So sin A we get how much? 7 by 25. Cos A we get 24 by 25. Then you see sin C we get 24 by 25. Then cos C we get how much? 7 by 25. Let's see the question number 5. Given sec theta is 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Let ABC is a right triangle. Right angle at B. So you draw a first right triangle. Right angle at B. ABC is a right triangle where right angle at B. So respect to angle A, this angle A you take as theta because we have given theta. Sec theta is given how much? 13/12. So now you have to know the ratio, trigonometric ratio, all the ratio. Sin theta is what? Sin theta, then cos theta, then tan theta, cosec theta, then sec theta, then what? Cot theta. So you remember the tricks. Some people, some means sine, some people have, that means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Curly stand for cos. Curly, black hair, that means B by base by hypotenuse. Turn permanently back. Turn means stand for tan. Permanently back, that means perpendicular by base. So now we know reciprocal of sine is cosec. Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so cosec will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. Reciprocal of cos, reciprocal of sine is cosec. Reciprocal of cos is sec. It will be hypotenuse by base. Reciprocal of tan is cot. It will be base by perpendicular. Now you see, respect to angle theta, perpendicular, which one? BC. Hypotenuse AC. Base is AB. Hypotenuse AC. Perpendicular is BC. Base AB. Then hypotenuse is AC. Perpendicular is BC. Hypotenuse AC. Base is AB. Then base AB. Perpendicular is BC. This side is perpendicular, okay? Angle theta opposite side which one? BC. So it will be perpendicular. Angle theta, you see AB is one part of this angle theta. So this will be the base. This is hypotenuse. So now what given? Given that sec theta is 13/12. Sec you see hypotenuse by base. That means AC by AB. This one AC by AB. So that means AC given, AB also given. You have to find which side? AC given. AC is 13. Then AB given. How much? 12. You have to find this perpendicular BC. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we know sum of two sides, sum of the squares of two sides, AB square plus BC square is the square of hypotenuse. Square of the one side, hypotenuse square is equal what? Sum of the squares of other two sides. So AB already given. We have to find what BC. AB given how much? 12 square. 12. BC not given. AC getting how much? 13. 12 square is 144. BC square. 13 square. That means 13 into 13. 13 into 13 is 169. So BC square is 169. This 144 you take in right side. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means BC square getting how much? 25. Therefore, BC is square root of 25 is 5. So this side is what now? We get 5. BC is 5. So now we can find all other ratio. You see, we find first sin theta. Sin is what? BC by AC. BC by AC. BC we get 5. AC already we have 13. Then cos theta. You have to find all other ratio. One ratio given already. Sin theta value given 13 by 12. So you have to find all the other 5 ratios. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, cot. So cos theta is what? AB by AC. AB how much we have? 12. AC is 13. Then tan theta. Tan theta is what? BC by AB. BC by AB. BC is how much? 5. AB 12. Then after 10 cosec. Cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? AC by BC. AC is 13. BC is 5. So now sec theta already given in your question. So now we'll find cot theta. Cot theta is what? AB by BC. AB by BC. AB, you see, AB how much? 12. BC, we have 5. So these are the all other ratio. Sin theta is 5 by 13. Cos theta is 12 by 13. Tan theta is 5 by 12. Cosec theta is 13 by 5. And cot theta is how much? 12 by 5. So in this video, this much for today. So we will meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you.